This is the beatXP Bolt Co massage gun, cordless, and comes with 1 year warranty, sort of certifications here. This is the specification, you can pause and read. Model number is here. Net weight is 600 gram. Package weight is 840 gram, all total. And material is ABS. Let's try to check some other information. So in the box, what you get? One Bolt Co massage gun, round head, bullet head, fork head, and flat head, along with Type-C cable and one user's manual, I guess. Let's try to open this. So this is the user manual with lots of documentation, some stickers from beatXP. These are the warranty cards. And I think you get the extended warranty of 6 months as well. So in addition to 1 year warranty, you can get the additional 6-month warranty if you follow some registration process. So what you have inside, let me try to take it out. Packaging is okay, not that great, does not gives you a premium feel. So here, if you see, you have multiple attachment, 4 in number. This is the first attachment that you see, almost flat. Next is this one. I believe this is for the deep tissue massage. Third one is this fork type. Now let's check out the last one. So this is the last attachment, silicon based, I believe, ABS material. The quality is good, not great. And this is our massage gun. Let me try to open this and show you what you get. So this is the massage gun, and this is the cable that you get, USB Type-C cable, which is great. So I think this is retailed at 5,000, somewhere around 5,000 if I'm not wrong, but you can easily get it for, you can see here, price is shown as 4,999, but you can easily get it in offer for about 1,900, somewhere around that price point. You can get it in offer. And yeah, this is the beatXP massage gun. It is very good, feels handy. You have the display here with the plus sign, minus sign to increase and decrease the speed. I guess it comes with 6 speed. This is the on off button, and the top here, this is where you have to place the attachment that you received. This is rubberized for the gripping. Bolt Co written here. 25 watt, made in China. This is how it will look. Let's try to place the attachment. So to turn it on, you'll have to press this button, which I believe is not working because the device is not charged. And to charge the massage gun, there's a type C slot here, so you will have to put in the charger here. Let me try to charge this thing, and then we can review the function. And by the way, this comes with 4000 mAh battery. As per the documentation, it should give about 3 to 5 hours battery backup, but it is totally dependent on the mode that you are operating at. If let's say you are operating at the higher speed, the maximum speed, then you cannot expect 5 hours of battery backup. So yeah, that you have to keep in mind. You can hardly expect 2 to 3 hours of battery backup if you operate at the maximum speed. It has some good technology as well to reduce the noise level, and as per the manual, I think the noise level is below 45 dB, which is great. You can see here, quiet wave technology under 45 dB, 6 speed variation, 1800 to 3200 RPM, LCD display. Let's try to charge this thing and power it up. So there is an indicator for the charging, the 4 bars that you see. Let me quickly show you how it looks when you try to charge them. So this is how it looks when it is charging. So let's try to check. So to start, you will have to long press, and this is how it is going to start. So this button is to increase the speed. I'm not sure if you can see, it is right now at F6, and because of vibration I think the display is not clear, but you can reduce the speed. So this is the lowest one, F1, and it has a timer set 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes it will auto sleep. This is a security feature. To increase the speed, you have to click plus. This is an F2, F3, F4, F5, S6, and this is the maximum speed. To turn it off, you will have to long press the this button, the middle button. To turn it on, again you have to long press this, and you can easily place this on the body part where you want to do the massage, and you can see it is clearly giving you a good massage. It is really powerful. You can see how powerful this particular machine is. So it really gives you a good massage experience, and I'm very sure that it will relieve you from the muscle soreness or muscle pain. Let's try the other attachment and see if that works properly or not. Let's try to turn it on. So this is right now at F4. Yeah, it really works fine. It absolutely relieves you from any sort of soreness. and it is very powerful as well. You can easily hold it. It is very handy. The entire body is covered with plastic, so rubber sort of material, silicon I believe. It really gives a good massage experience. Let's try the other. Press it properly. Okay, now it is all set. You can see the effect of vibration. And you can press this machine to get a better effect, massage effect. The more you press, the more vibration you will feel. Let's try the last attachment. Now let's try to check this attachment. Running at F3. This is particularly very good. Gives a isolated massage, and this is basically for a muscle group like shoulder. Remove all the knots and soreness. That's all in this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.